Now, what if unloading heavy materials does not require tipping a trailer or risking an accident? What if cargo could move smoothly, even in tight spaces, without worrying about rollovers or clearance problems? That's exactly what walking floor trailers do. They're one of the smartest solutions in bulk transport today. Imagine a huge trailer pulling up to a busy construction site. Instead of lifting up like a dump truck, it stays flat on the ground. And then something incredible happens. The floor inside starts moving, pushing out the cargo in a controlled and steady way. No tilting, no risks, just a safe, easy way to unload. And the sweetest part of this innovation is that it is applied to many industries where safety, efficiency, and flexibility is a must. From moving waste to moving crops, they've changed the way materials are handled. But what makes them so special? Well, let's take a closer look at how they work, where they're used, and the latest improvements that make them even better. But before we probe further, please do click the subscribe button to join the illustrious group of our Trucker Channel subscribers. Walking floor trailers revolutionize bulk transport with their unique unloading system. Instead of relying on gravity and tilting like dump trailers, they use hydraulically powered floor slats that move in a coordinated sequence, gradually moving cargo out of the trailer. This design allows for controlled, stable unloading, making them ideal for confined spaces, uneven ground, and situations where tipping isn't an option. Unlike traditional dump trailers that rely on tilting to unload, walking floor trailers use a hydraulically driven moving floor system. This system consists of interlocking slats that move in a coordinated sequence, walking the cargo out of the trailer with precision. And by eliminating the need for tipping, these trailers can offer unmatched versatility, allowing them to unload safely in confined spaces, under low clearance structures, and on uneven ground where traditional dump trailers would struggle. Walking floor trailer compartments is typically divided into 3 sets of slats, following a precise unloading cycle. First, all slats move backward together, shifting the load slightly towards the rear. Then one set of slats remains stationary while the other 2 move forward, preventing the cargo from sliding back. And this cycle repeats itself, gradually pushing the cargo out in a smooth and controlled manner. And this method ensures safer unloading, particularly for loose or unstable materials, such as wood chips, grain, recyclables, and construction debris. Over the years, walking floor trailers have evolved significantly, incorporating advanced technology to enhance efficiency and reliability. And they have new anti-sway technology, which now equips trailers with sensors that detect movement and automatically adjust braking to maintain stability, reducing the risk of rollovers. Enhanced braking systems, both electric and hydraulic, provide smoother stops while minimizing wear on towing vehicles. Additionally, smart trailer integration has become standard, allowing operators to monitor tire pressure, GPS location, and security locks via smartphone apps, bringing greater control and efficiency to fleet management. You might not want to admit it, but the era of dump trailers is riddled with millions of downsides, such as the need for plenty of overhead clearance, stable ground, and careful maneuvering to avoid accidents like rollovers or spilled loads. In tight spaces like inside buildings, under power lines, or uneven ground, dump trailers can be more trouble than they're worth. So to eliminate these inherent problems, walking floor trailers take the mantle. Instead of tilting, they use a moving floor to walk out the load smoothly and safely. And this means they can unload pretty much anywhere, even in spots where a dump trailer just wouldn't work. The controlled unloading also reduces waste and makes it easier to place cargo exactly where you need it. And since walking floor trailers don't tip, there's no risk of them rolling over, and that makes them a much safer option for drivers, workers, and equipment nearby. Dump trailers need a lot of room to lift up and unload, but walking floor trailers can do their job in enclosed areas like warehouses, crowded construction sites, and even sloped terrain. With a dump trailer, once that bed tilts, gravity takes over completely. Walking floors, however, unload cargo in a controlled way, which keeps things stable and reduces material loss, especially important for things like wood chips, grain, or waste. Many modern walking floor trailers come with automation and remote controls, making unloading faster and easier, while cutting down on labor costs. Plus, some are equipped with smart tech that tracks wear and tear, helping to prevent breakdowns and expensive repairs. Now don't get me wrong, dump trucks still have their place, but walking floor trailers are changing the game in bulk transport. They're safer, more versatile, and work in places where dump trailers simply can't. Whether it's waste management, agriculture, or construction, these trailers make hauling and unloading a whole lot easier, and they're only getting better with new technology. Now, there's no denying that walking floor trailers have become a transformative force in so many industries. making it easier and safer to transport bulk materials without the difficulty of manual unloading. Take waste management, for example. These trailers are perfect for hauling municipal waste, construction debris, and recyclables, unlike traditional dump trailers. They don't need extra space to tip, which makes them ideal for landfills and recycling centers, even in rough environments or windy conditions. The latest models even come with automation and remote operation, cutting labor costs and improving efficiency. Many companies are also using smart tracking systems to optimize routes and monitor material flow in real time. In the agricultural industry, for example, walking floor trailers have become essential for moving grain, silage, and manure and feed. The automated unloading system is a huge time saver, reducing labor and making the process more efficient. Newer models have advanced sealing systems to prevent spills and contamination during transport, which is a big deal when dealing with livestock feed or harvested crops. And some are even equipped with climate control features to keep perishable goods in top condition. With precision farming on the rise, many of these trailers now come with GPS tracking and real-time data collection to help farmers streamline logistics and cut down on waste. Or the forestry industry, for example, also relies heavily on these trailers. Walking floor trailers have been used to transport wood chips, sawdust, bark, and other materials for paper production, biomass fuel, and wood pellet manufacturing. And because they don't need to tip, they're great for sawmills and processing plants even in tight spaces. And some newer models include dust suppression systems, which helps keep the air clean during unloading, making them safer to use. Plus, manufacturers now are using lightweight component materials to build them, which means more payload capacity and better fuel efficiency. Also, we've seen the influx of walking floor trailers in construction sites, and this machine has been used to handle heavy materials like gravel, sand, asphalt, and demolition waste without tipping. And this again is a big advantage in urban areas where space is limited. Many newer models come with reinforced floors to withstand heavy debris, along with improved hydraulic systems for smoother, faster unloading. Some are even designed to handle hazardous materials safely, making them a must-have on modern construction sites. For the food industry, which is another critical industry to benefit from walking floor trailers, especially for transporting food-grade materials like potatoes, sugar, grains, and animal feed. Since the trailers are enclosed, they help keep everything clean and free from contamination, which is crucial for food safety. The type of walking floor trailers in this industry have been adapted to include temperature-controlled compartments for perishable goods, while others have specifically coated interiors to prevent bacteria buildup. And with the growing demand for eco-friendly transport solutions, manufacturers are now designing more energy-efficient models to reduce fuel consumption and lower carbon emissions. And it doesn't stop there. These trailers are also widely used in military logistics, disaster relief, and mining. In military operations, they're used to transport supplies, fuel, and equipment over rough landscapes. And in disaster relief, they help quickly unload emergency supplies like food, water, and medical aid in crisis zones. The mining industry also benefits from them, especially from moving raw materials and excavation waste. Many modern models are now built with heavy-duty materials to handle extreme conditions, making them even more versatile. Now, the evolution of walking floor trailers continues as manufacturers integrate new technologies to enhance performance, safety, and efficiency. It's pretty obvious that modern walking floor trailers are increasingly equipped with remote control systems, allowing operators to manage the unloading process from a safe distance. Another impressive feature is automation. This feature enables precise control over material movement, reducing the need for manual intervention and enhancing operational safety. And to cap it off, there's also the integration of telematics systems. This system provides real-time monitoring of trailer and cargo conditions. And not only that, it also enables predictive maintenance by analyzing data to detect early signs of wear or potential failures, allowing for proactive servicing and reducing unexpected downtime. Also, the adoption of LED lighting has become standard in many trailers, offering better visibility and reducing energy consumption. Enhanced lighting improves safety and during loading and unloading operations, especially in low-light conditions. Manufacturers like Keith Manufacturing are utilizing lightweight materials in trailer construction to reduce overall weight and increase payload capacity. These unprecedented innovations in design have led to more aerodynamic trailers, improving fuel efficiency without compromising structural integrity. To cater to specific industry needs, walking floor trailer manufacturers offer customization options, including adjustable slide configurations, varying trailer lengths, and additional safety features. Modular designs allow for easy modifications and upgrades, ensuring that trailers can adapt to evolving operational requirements. The gale of innovations in walking floor trailer manufacturing has signaled one thing, which is massive demand and significant growth across the board. The global moving floor trailers market size is now projected to grow from approximately $1.88 billion in 2025 to $2.414 billion by 2031. reflecting a compound annual growth rate of around 4.34%. This growth rate is attributed to the expanding agriculture and infrastructure sectors, as well as technological advancements in trailer design and materials. Walking floor trailers have undeniably transformed the landscape of bulk material transportation. Their innovative design and operational advantages have addressed long-standing challenges across various industries, from waste management to agriculture. As technology continues to advance, walking floor trailers are poised to become even more efficient, safe, and environmentally friendly. The integration of automation, real-time data monitoring, and sustainable materials will further enhance their value proposition, solidifying their role as indispensable tools in modern logistics. For industries seeking to optimize their material handling processes, investing in walking floor trailers represents a forward-thinking approach that aligns with demands of safety, efficiency, and sustainability in the 21st century. Thank you for tuning in. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.